What is going on, guys? Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. A quick thank you to crypto exchange BITUNIX for sponsoring this video. Guys, we have just 48 hours until our campaign ends. So guys, definitely go check that out by using the link in the description below. We have more major macro events happening. We had just in U.S. Commerce Secretary Litnick says trade talks with China are going well and will continue all day. We had the trade talks in London with China and the U.S. continuing today. It began yesterday, and so guys, expect a lot of volatility, and hopefully we can get some positive trade news from all of this, as the tariffs historically have been bearish for the crypto market. We have breaking Bloomberg reports that U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is a possible contender to succeed Fed Chair Powell. Last week, we had the massive announcement of Trump announcing his pick for next Fed chair. He says it's coming very soon, but according to the XRP insiders, we have Judy Shelton as the next Fed chairman. So even though Scott Bessent is a possible contender, we should see Scott Bessent continuing to act out his role as U.S. Treasury Secretary. And we have another big day coming up. Luckily, we don't have to wait too long, as it's happening in just 24 hours. We had XRP's all-time high happening all the way back on 1/6/18. We have January 6, 2018, aka the golden ratio, and from XRP's all-time high date to tomorrow, which is 6/11/2025, that is 89 months and 5 days. We have the symbolic 589 number. So could we see something big happening on Wednesday, June 11th, as we also have the full strawberry moon happening tonight? So we do have a major astrology event. We can see June 11th, 2025. Tonight, we have the full strawberry moon. We have the XRP insiders, Howard Moon 589, talking about the strawberry moon all the way back on July 23rd, 2021. We have the end is just the beginning, and David Schwartz also making the strawberry reference as well. So again, guys, with this astrology event happening, will we see something happening such as the crypto market moving up? We do have Bitcoin staying above the $100,000 mark for 30 consecutive days for the first time ever. We are looking bullish. The $100,000 mark is a very strong level of support for BTC, and we even have from CNBC saying Bitcoin is primed for a surge to fresh all-time highs above $130,000. We have CNBC obviously using the 13 number, and with the 1% also adding numerology to the crypto charts, we should see a $130,000 Bitcoin, and once that happens, we could see XRP at a new all-time high. And right now, again, we are looking very bullish based on the charts. We do have a valid buy signal from Bitcoin yesterday, and so we could see Bitcoin making a new all-time high, as we do have a crossover coming in for the MACD. And with the buy signal again, guys, this means that we should see the markets moving up. So we're very close to Bitcoin's recent all-time high at around the 111,000 mark, 111,764 to be exact. And so guys, with Bitcoin being very close to its all-time high, and again with a buy signal forming, it shouldn't be too long until we see a new all-time high coming in. We could see a new all-time high coming in as early as this week. And same thing going on with XRP. We have a buy signal, so we are expecting a pump, and we have XRP trading at $2.30. We have an update with the Trump family. We have Eric and Donald Trump Jr. backed American Bitcoin, quietly accumulating 215 Bitcoin worth $23 million plus since April launch ahead of public merger. So we do have the Trump family accumulating a ton of Bitcoin and cryptos, which is bullish, as we had Trump ushering in the golden age of cryptos. And lastly, we have from Christine Lagarde, a hello from Beijing. Let's take a look at this from one of the highest members of the 1%.
Well, hello from Beijing. I'm here for several official meetings with the authorities to understand exactly how the Chinese economy is going and what are the challenges and what the cooperation will be like between all of us. And in between two official meetings, we stopped at the Temple of Confucius to reflect on his wisdom. And I'll share one of them with you, which I think is quite relevant. I think he says something like, "He who learns but doesn't think is lost. He who thinks but doesn't learn is in danger." Good thing to consider.
Great life advice from Christine Lagarde. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And guys, the only way to make a lot of money is by taking risks, aka taking moves that might be fearful, but there is a chance that it can transform your life, aka we have XRP. A lot of people in the world are doubting XRP, but if you really know what's happening with XRP behind the scenes, especially the information we got from the XRP insiders, guys, you will be buying as much XRP as possible at these current prices.